What's up, guys? It's me. I'm back. Low key, this is not how I wanted to start this video, but I got a little carried away. I am taking off my manifold, the factory exhaust manifold, and damn, I'll tell you right now, that is a very, very poorly designed manifold. No wonder these cars make no power. But yeah, pretty much have to take this bracket off. I've already loosened up the two catalytic converter bolts. I gotta get to those bolts up there. It doesn't look very difficult. Once this is out of the way, should be able to get up there. The axle isn't really gonna bother me too much, so I'm not worried about that. Damn, there's a lot of rust down here. Show you how long this car's been sitting. But yeah, as far as that goes, it's pretty self-explanatory. Take off the manifold from here, and you go straight down over here to this pipe. Probably gonna keep this pipe right here because I'm gonna wanna have an exhaust, so I'll keep this connected. I wanted to do a hood exit, but that doesn't look very feasible. So right here, this is the tranny pan. We don't gotta touch this. I gotta take this off later today. My intercooler piping should be coming in today, so I should be able to run that underneath the car, like so, or over the car. I'm not 100% sure how to do it yet. Maybe a lot of these plastics might have to come off. It's gonna suck, but yeah, this plastic might have to come off entirely. This one, I kind of don't want to get rid of this one, so I'm not. It's gonna suck to have this point of support. Maybe I'll just trim it here. Yeah, I'll trim it here so this part's up and connected, and then this side could go so that I can run some intercooler piping into here. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now with this. Start unplugging everything, taking the header, taking this guy out so I can get a bong welded exactly right here or somewhere on this side. Yeah, right on this side, so that I can run it straight up into the turbo, which is going to be somewhere up there. All right, let's get back to taking this shit off. Taking out my exhaust now. Well, most of it, there's a piece down there, the axle back, but this is what we got to work with. So I'm basically going to keep all this. I'm going to definitely want to change that to a 3-inch pipe, but you got this thick pipe over here. It's like 2.5 all the way to here. Then this, I'm gonna completely remove it off. There's no cat in it, by the way. It's fully gutted. And then this part's gonna be taken off, and then the rest of it is gonna be welded up into the exhaust housing of the turbo. So now that I've got that side off, I gotta get back down there, start taking off the exhaust manifold. See you when I see you. All right, guys, so I'm trying to show you here the best I can. Halfway done taking the manifold. Sneak a view through there. So quickly, there's a heat shield off over there. I wanted to show you there's these two extra pieces of metal. I don't know what they're for. Probably to give it more structure, because there's a bracket right here. This bracket already got loose over here. This holds the header in place. I feel like this bracket alone should have been enough, you know, but you know, Toyota over engineering shit. Goddamn, this headers are ass, dude. Fuck that. Look at that tiny. Oh my god. Oh shit. That could have been my eye, but okay. All right, look at this little tiny filter. I'm gonna replace this with a better one. Probably a oil filter relocation kit as well. But yeah, some little sturdy little axles, huh? Little tiny fuckers. Yeah, not bad. This car wasn't meant to push much power, but I believe Camry axles will pretty much bolt in right here as well, and they're a lot thicker. So yeah, these aren't bad. These are good enough for what I'm going for. Not too much power, but still good enough for what I want. Yeah. All right, let me get back to it. Just got the intercooler. It just got delivered right now as I was underneath the car. First cut of the day. So this is actually perfect. It's not too big, it's not too small. And it's gonna definitely be hidden back here behind this big, massive grill in the Corolla. So it's going to be perfect, and it's going to be just fine to where it won't interfere with our crash bar, which is actually right here. I'm gonna slide it back there right now and start cutting holes so I can route the intercooler piping. But yeah, this should be fun.
Cool vibrations. Cool vibrations.
Alright, so we're here. Got the intercooler mounted. I need a bracket down here. My BOV's in there. That one's shit. I'm getting an HKS SSQE. And as we get down here, we got oil pan done, back on, and we got over here, we got us a turbo drain plug, right? Am I not right, guys? I had to take out the turbo. I had to clock it. So you can see shit's starting to rust because life's a bitch, and I haven't been able to get back here enough. But should be done this weekend. I will finish everything on Sunday, hopefully, if I get out of work early. Spend the whole night grinding. Come over here and look at this little guy. Yep, everything is good to go. I got my T over here. I don't know if you guys could see it. Nope. Right here, my T, oil pressure sensor. And yeah, good to go almost. I might need some Teflon for that, but I don't know. This one's litty though. Start